Discover the captivating charm of the yearly surplus koi fish pond. Now available at an incredible 60% off. This rectangular pond is not just a water feature. It's a masterpiece of serene beauty. The water gently cascades from the mouths of sculpted fish, adding a dynamic and soothing element to your outdoor space. Paired with the delicate arrangement of seashells, the yearly surplus pond brings a harmonious blend of coastal charm and tranquil beauty. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer to bring the yearly surplus pond into your home.
年年有余锦鲤池的迷人魅力，现在享受惊人的60%折扣优惠。这个矩形池不仅是一个水景，更是一件宁静之美的杰作。水从雕刻的鱼嘴中缓缓流出，为您的户外空间增添了动感和舒缓的元素。搭配精美的贝壳装饰，年年有余池塘带来海岸魅力与宁静之美的和谐融合。不要错过这个独家优惠，将年年有余池塘带回家。